When power is lost, you might have a few clocks you need to reset. However, do you have anything else, such as a recirculating hot water pump or a whole house water conditioner? Dan is going to share with you an example of these items and how to reset the time so they function as you expect.
Hi, and welcome back to our do-it-yourself video series. My name is Dan with At Your Service Plumbing, and today we're going to cover resetting timers when the power goes out. A lot of us realize that the power's gone out because your timers are flickering at you, right? You know, you see it on your oven and all that, and we remember to reset those. But do we really remember to reset your whole home filter systems or your recirculation system timers? Those are things that can go unnoticed until it is noticed. So I'm going to go over first on how to reset a timer for a whole house water filtration system. So we have this cover here that we'll remove to gain access to the timer. We have this little red button right off to the side. We push that in, so that allows us to spin this, and it can go either direction, and we just set it back to the current time, let it go, and we're done. Next, I'm going to go over a recirculation system. A lot of these timers look very, very similar. They're nice and easy. You don't have to touch any of the switches that are on it, but you want to find the arrow, turn the dial until it matches to the current time. Let it go, put the cover back on, and you're done. If you have any other questions, please give us a call at Your Service Plumbing. We're here to help. Thanks for watching.
I trust the information in this video was helpful for you. If you find at any time you either don't have the right tools, you don't want to make trips back and forth to the hardware store, or you just don't want to spend your valuable time doing this task, please give At Your Service Plumbing a call and ask to schedule your own personal plumbing professional to come and assist you. Our client care representatives would be happy to provide you a 2-hour arrival window, which works for you. If you have other plumbing issues, we offer several videos in this do-it-yourself series. Please comment suggestions for future videos, and we thank you for joining us.